Hello and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today's meditation is on knowledge. We are continuing the In Search of God book 2. We are on the lesson of knowledge. Knowledge is about meditating on knowing that God is always there. And when things aren't going smooth and things aren't moving the way we need, it's because we are not listening to Him. So we're praying for the knowledge to hear His message. Remember, He is the still small voice that's whispering. He stands at the door and knocks. He doesn't just come in as other energies do and push their will upon you. He stands there and allows you to choose. So we are meditating upon enhancing our knowledge of His presence. The affirmation will be, let the knowledge of the Lord so permeate my being that there is less and less of self, more and more of God in my dealing with my fellow man, that the Christ may be in all, through all, in His name. Okay, as always, we start with prayer protection and the Lord's Prayer. We will go into a guided meditation. This time we are going to lift up out of our bodies and sit in that perfectly peaceful place. Then we will read the affirmation, sit silently for a few moments, and from there, this wire is distracting me today. I apologize. So after the silent period, you'll hear the chime. And that will let you know I'm about to speak so as not to jolt you out. We'll give a prayer of thanks. We will start to bring ourselves back into the presence by rolling the energy up the front of our body, up the back, and over our head to the third eye, and closing with the 23rd Psalm. We're doing all this in under 10 minutes, so let's get started. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and begin to relax. Take another deep breath and start scanning your body and noticing if there's any tightness, any discomfort. And if there is, bring your attention to that spot and invite your body to let it go. Notice how quickly your body follows your mind. Mind is the builder. The physical is the result. In this relaxed state, let us begin with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. From this relaxed, protected place, let us notice the divine energy that's flowing into our head, all the way down our throat, our body, our trunk, at our feet. And it charges every energy center, including those in our hands and our feet. Let's bring our attention now to our second chakra, just below our belly button. Notice how the energy is swirling there and pooling. It is merging with the little self. The great I am is merging with the little I am. Strengthening, embracing, let us allow our spirit to mingle with the soul of God and move up our body to our solar plexus, about 4 inches above our belly button. You might feel a sensation, pulling the energy up, inviting it to rise up to our heart. Feeling the energy move, powerful, into our throat, into the center of our head. We say, "Arise, my spirit, and meet thy Maker," lifting above ourselves, knowing we are protected. We comfortably say the affirmation and rest in silence. Let the knowledge of the Lord so permeate my being that there is less and less of self, more and more of God in my dealing with my fellow man, that the Christ may be in all, through all, in his name. Let us take a moment and be grateful, thanking the Lord for this knowledge of his presence, bringing our bodies and soul back together, pulling ourselves down, feeling our physical body. Let us roll the energy up the front of us and roll the energy up the back of us and over our head to the third eye. Pulling in fully, we're closing with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. I don't know about you, but I'm finding this week quite powerful. The meditations are quite altering. It will take me a few minutes before I can decide to go out in a car or something. Make sure you use caution. And I hope you enjoyed today's meditation as much as I have. Have a blessed and wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye now.